Hello, this is Bruce McGregor, and welcome. I want to speak to you for a moment about the GPS Mind Mapper in my book on page 73. The Mind Mapper gives you a visual representation of your mind. Most people, when they think of their mind, think of the brain. The Mind Mapper divides the brain and the mind into two parts, the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. Your conscious mind is your intellectual mind, and it's where your logical and reasoning mind is resident. And on top of your head are your receptors, your sensory receptors, to see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. Your intellectual factors are also resident in the conscious mind. Most people are unaware of these factors, but they can be developed. They connect and access the power of your subconscious mind when used. They are intuition, memory, reason, will, perception, and imagination. The subconscious mind is the most powerful part of your mind. It controls everything in your life, including your growth and the ongoing regeneration of the cells of your body, as well as your bodily functions. And it works 24/7. It never rests. Even when you're sleeping, it is working hard. It is so efficient and silently productive that we tend to overlook it. But the truth is, it is similar to the part of the iceberg you cannot see beneath the waves. That is by far the largest part. And the subconscious mind is where the emotions are resident. The subconscious mind also has the ability to connect with your higher self and universal intelligence, or God, that controls everything. And it is here that we find your inner GPS for wealth. This is Bruce McGregor. Connect with your inner GPS for wealth. And thank you.